SEO in 2024 in digital marketing. What is on-page SEO? What is off-page SEO? What is technical SEO? What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO refers to optimizing individual web pages to improve their search engine ranking and attract more relevant traffic by focusing on content, HTML source code, and website structure. What is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO refers to the actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages, SERPs. This includes strategies like building backlinks from other websites, social media promotion, and online reputation management. What is technical SEO? Technical SEO involves optimizing the technical aspects of a website to improve its search engine visibility and user experience, focusing on factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, indexing, and crawlability.